and kidney, it is becomes strong like that. So that, yeah.
There is one thing about the English man or the Western people.
Yes,
they
doctor.
copy a lot of things from the indigenous Indians or Chinese, but they don't accept that they have copied.
But internally they accept, right?
Everything they copy, everything that works they copy. For example, mindfulness. Mindfulness is basically dhyana or yoga application. But they say mindfulness. They make a different name, and they say that this is original. And second thing is the pranayama and the breathing practice. They have renamed it tactical breathing. They use in soldiers. Marines use this principle of breathing to reduce tension during war. During war and yuddham, they use tactical breathing to reduce their tension.
They call it tactical?
Tactical breathing. That is slow breathing. Inhale and exhale.
Okay, that is pranayama.
So basically our indigenous knowledge works. Only thing is we have to be proud of it. And we have to see that it works really, and we have to use it for daily purpose.
That is right, doctor. That is right. Thank you so much to add the things. Like, okay, shall we do? Because we have 22 students, so we can just go ahead. Okay, please switch on the video, everyone. Right. Thank you so much. So, take over. If you unmute yourself, please mute again. Okay, right. Yes. Take. Anytime you can take. They're all free Sunday.
Good morning, Sanpai.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Sunday है? पता नहीं. छुट्टी है ना? चल.
छुट्टी की है.
हमारी तो छुट्टी है. Okay, done. There are many types of Indian push-ups, right? Like the Indian push-up, Hindu push-up, Sadharan dand, Hanuman dand, many things are there. You can say I know only 9. 9 is also enough. There are many other things like that. Then there are many other difficult ones. There are many other easy ones. Some I don't prefer. Some I still can't do. Okay, I have 9 with me. And that today if we do it like a workout, we can't finish it. Okay, so we are planning like I will just introduce the exercise steps. We will go through the steps, then the breathing. We will do it 5 or 10 times, and then if it is clear, we will clear our doubts, and then we will move to the next exercise, so that maximum number of dand you can learn without a doubt, and then you can practice on your own, right? Sir? Okay, right. So first one, okay, we can do some warm up first. We'll do some warm up. Just some stretching. 1 second. Okay. Right. Okay. Start from the neck. Neck side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the shoulders, forward direction, rotate it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Just try to rotate forward like this. Both hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. पीछे की तरफ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Just stretch like this. Stretch like this. Stretch like this. Stretch like this. 1, 2, 3. Here. Opposite. 1, 2, 3. Right. Twist like this. 1, 2, 3. My feet are on the floor. पैर नहीं हिलाने, पैर वैसे ही हैं. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, bend forward. Bend forward like this. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this, stretch like this, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Catch the hips and rotation for the hip joint. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sit down. Yes, and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upwards. ऊपर की तरफ ऐसे chest पे touch होने दीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stretch back like this. दूसरा पैर. Okay, right, stretch like this. Almost Kibadachi. Your foot is both your feet is pointing outside. Like this. Go down and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep your feet apart. Go like this. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to make circles like this. See this exercise is very good. It works for me. I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, just rotate your ankles. Rotate your ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. दूसरा पैर, other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. Okay, up. We will try. Okay, so I will just show. The first one is called as Sadharan Dand. Sadharan means normal or normal, and Dand means push up. Dand actually, if I'm not wrong, it means like how you bend down and be close to earth. Actual meaning is somewhat like that, but no problem. We can just understand the first one is normal push up, normal Indian push up. Just see, it looks somewhat like this. I'll just 1 second. Right. Our feet are shoulder width distance apart, like this. This is shoulder width distance, and from here we come to a push-up position. But this is not our normal push-up position. This part is up, like this. So our back is almost in a mountain kind of a posture. This is not exact Parvatasana, but almost Parvatasana, mountain pose. So I need from back to head and to hand. This is straight line. See this? From here to here and to back, it is straight line. It should be straight line. Okay. And then I go down and up and I relax. Okay. Just see this. पहले आप देख लीजिए. हम practice करेंगे अभी. Okay. पहले आप देख लीजिए. Just see for the time being. See. Shoulder width distance apart. Almost your mountain pose. From here to my hand, it is straight line. And now you see this straight line. My head travels straight through this. ये सीधा इसी सीध में ऐसे जाएगा और वहां से I push up. Okay, so this push up is not supposed to be jerking your back. कमर में झटका नहीं देने का है. This is like going down, going straight, and then pushing up, using your tricep contraction and also your chest. So after this, just come back to your initial posture. Okay. Right. You know the steps. Just try one time. Just try 5 times. I'll just see. Try कीजिए सब लोग 5 बार. कैसे होगा? हाँ. शोल्डर विद डिस्टेंस में पैर रखने हैं. नीचे ज्यादा नहीं करना अभी, क्योंकि बहुत सारे करने हमने, फिर थक जाओगे. Right. Okay, that's good. Right. Okay. Okay. अभी देखिए, इसका पोजीशंस है, इसके साथ ब्रीथिंग भी होगी. राइट, कम क्लोज टू कैमरा. इसके साथ ब्रीथिंग भी होगी. एवरी टाइम यू कंट्रैक्ट योर मसल, वी नीड टू ब्रीथ आउट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए, इन जिम वी डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. राइट, दिस इज मसल एक्सपैंडिंग, so need to breathe in. Contracting, need to breathe out. Okay, so in push up, when we push, contract muscles, I need to breathe out. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out. I'll just show. So with correct, it will be like this. Is our initial position. Initially we are like this. So from here I need to go down and up, and then come back to initial position. In this, when I go down, I breathe in. This can be like, if you go down, you can also breathe in. Otherwise, from initial position also you can breathe in. Main importance is for breathe out. Okay, breathe out should happen here. Here we need to breathe out. So breathe out. So this can be inhalation and exhale and relax. There are 3 postures in every push-up: relaxed posture, inhalation and exhalation. This is relaxing. This is inhale and exhale. So when you do it in speed, inhalation becomes your reset time. जब भी आप कमर उठा के रीसेट कर रहे हैं और दूसरे पुशअप के लिए रेडी हो रहे हैं, at that time you can inhale, and whenever you push up, breathe out. Okay, we will try करके देखिए 5-10 times. I'll check. Yes, let's go. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, enough. Say one more thing. हाथ बाहर की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे. In a push-up, your hands must not go like this. See, this is wrong. When you push up like this and your elbow go out, this is wrong. Elbow should be close to your body, like this. Push up like this, not here. So it should look from front. It should look like this. Okay. Elbow is not out. Okay. Elbow in. Try 3 times. 1, 2. एल्बो अंदर की तरफ रख के करना है. पहले थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा. ओके, that's enough. Up, come close to camera. I'll just revise. This is साधारण दंड. पैर shoulder width distance में, हाथ ऊपर, relax. When you go down, you can breathe in, or in this position itself you can breathe in. And when you come up, breathe out, contract muscles, contract your major muscles which are acting in this, right? जब आप वापस की तरफ जाना शुरू करें, that time you can start breathing in. Okay, इसमें हाथ अंदर की तरफ रहेंगे, maximum अंदर की तरफ रहेंगे. When you go down, don't overdo this. This hunch is wrong. See, when I do push up, it should be this much. That's okay. This is wrong. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. एक बार करके दिखाता हूँ. जब आप यहाँ से पुशअप में ऐसे ज्यादा, can you see? Don't go too much over here. It will create a hunch. Here, this is too much. Okay, just go down and go straight, and then go up. Right? Any doubt on Sadharan Dand? Any doubt? Any clarification? Breathing pattern? Anything? Just ask right now.
Sensei, when we are going.
One second. Shreyansh Rai ji.
Yeah, Sensei. Can we tolerate 15 to 20 degrees of hand outwards? 15 to 20 degrees.
That's okay. That is usually said in gym, right? 15-20 degrees. That's okay. That's okay. Not too much inside. When you're going too much inside, your shoulder will start hunching. Okay. There should be a perfect balance between this. This much is enough. In vacation time, when I used to go to Akhada, I went there for 2 weeks. Okay, my grandfather used to practice there. So they taught me one technique. If you just keep your hands little bit outside, little, very little, then automatically elbow will be straight. Okay, not straight or whatever we need. It will not go too much outside if you just keep your hands here. So that way you can look at it. Not too much close, not too much out. Yes, 10-15 degrees. Okay. Subrojit ji, yes.
Since when we are going down, जब हम साधारण दंड में नीचे जा रहे हैं तब हमारा बैक ऊपर ही रहेगा.
जब आप देखिए, जैसे हमारा हाथ से लेके बैक तक स्ट्रेट लाइन था. ओके, इट वाज स्ट्रेट लाइन. जब आप नीचे जा रहे हैं, आपका बेंड सिर्फ हाथ हो रहा है. ओनली योर हैंड्स आर बेंडिंग. पुश अप. आई विल जस्ट शो अगेन. सी, फ्रॉम हियर to my hands, it is straight line. Straight line. From head to back, it will not change. Only hands will bend. And then when I come straight, it will become almost normal push-up position. So it looks like this. From here, only hands are bending. Then you go straight and then up. So together, it looks like you're kind of diving into it and coming up. So here. Right. Okay. Right. Any problem with Sadharan Dand?
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, sir. Yes, Shashi Kiran ji.
Okay, sir, Sensei, the knees, does it have to touch the ground while Cobra?
No. That is yoga cobra stretch, Bhujangasana. I mean, there are many variations, but usually in push-up, we don't do like that. Normal push-up, like only the foot is touching and our hands. Okay. पहले ऐसा bend करना मुश्किल होगा for everybody, but no problem, that will be okay. You understand what is the steps and breathing, right? Okay?
Yes, Sensei.
Okay. We can move to next one. Next one is little difficult. But you just understand, keep it in your mind, and slowly when you practice Sadharan Dand, it will be easy to do this also. This is a variation of Ram Murthy Dand. This is the second one. This can be called as Hindu push-up also. Many names are there. This is just one variation. Okay. Just like how we did in Sadharan Dand, we go up, and same way we need to come back. So only difference is, instead of after push-up, instead of doing this, after push-up, we come back same way. Okay. Like this. So here and same way back. It is little difficult. When you go back, like after push-up, when you go back, try to keep your elbow in and then push. Right? In here, breathing should be like, when I push up, I breathe out, then I breathe in and again push back and relax. Okay, so it looks like breathing pattern will be inhale, exhale, relax and inhale again and exhale and relaxation. So this is same measure, पैर उतना ही रखना है. Parvatasana is same. I go down like this straight, up, down, straight, up. Whenever I push up, I breathe out. Okay. Everybody try this. Try this. I'll just see. Try 1, 2. वापस जाने में थोड़ी मुश्किल होगी. 1 and 2. No problem. No problem. Yes, very good. Yes, and back. Right. So you basically understand, right? Yes. थोड़ा जो आपके posture में इधर उधर गड़बड़ हो रही है वो इसलिए है क्योंकि आप ये hand से ज्यादा bending ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Okay, that's no problem. That's because we are out of practice. We are doing it for the first time, right? So you can't bend proper and you can't do that. No problem. Keep practicing the sadharan and we'll get enough balance and strength to do all this, right? Any question on this one? This can be called as Hindu push-up or this is a variation of Ramurti Dand also, right? Any question, any problem, breathing, anything, please ask right now.
Senpai,
Yes, sir.
when we are coming back, we are exhaling or inhaling?
Whenever you push, exhale. जब भी अपने हाथों से while coming up or while going back, whenever you push, whenever I am pushing, I am contracting this, the shoulder, the chest. Okay. So whenever I am pushing, breathe out. Okay. Breathing, I will repeat. Everybody listen. Breathing. See breathing. Inhale, exhale. From this point, inhale again and exhale while going back. And relax. Okay. Any problem with this one?
So, is it okay if we just focus on the exhaling part, right? So is it okay if we just focus on just exhaling?
Exhaling.
Yeah, because
We have to inhale also.
that is true. But if I think more about it, it's getting confused now.
Okay. Actually, whenever you are in relaxed position, okay. So when we are in Parvatasana, first this position, this is comparatively relaxing. Okay. Comparatively relaxing. In this point, you can inhale. And after push-up, this position is also easy, relaxing. So in a relaxing position, you can inhale, and whenever you are doing that tough things, you can breathe out. That's all. Right.
Sir, can you please show me the going back again, sir?
Okay. I'll just.
Just a little, you go a little back and show me.
Oh, sure. Sorry. Here. Like this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Any problem with this one? Second one, any problem? Any doubt?
No.
Everybody understand, right? Okay. We are not doing too much 10-20 reps, otherwise you can't do. हाथ वगैरह tight हो जाएंगे. Okay. Okay, we will move to third one. What is the third one? I'll just introduce some easy one. Third one can be Parshva. Relatively easy. Parshva means, I don't know what it means. Actually, side. One leg, you go to the opposite side and then push up. Okay, it looks like this. It looks like this. See this? From push-up position, before going to push-up, I will take right leg, kick through and place it over here. Right leg goes to left side, here, and then push-up. Okay, this is more like modern push-up. Okay, because here we are going straight. If you want, you can do this also, but I prefer normal push-up. Okay. So it looks like normal push-up, but you're kicking through right to left here and push up, take back, left to right, here push up. Okay, Just try one time. Just try on yourself. Try. Little difficult. Let it go. Let your leg raise to somewhat hip region, hip height or hip level. Right. This is supposed to be stretching your leg. Okay. ये पैर का एक ऐसा हिस्सा है जो हम स्ट्रेच नहीं करते. Even during exercise, very less focus is on stretching this part, right? So we are stretching that. Plus we are going down and doing the push-up. Right.
इसमें एक डाउट था मुझे.
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है जब हम लेग साइड में जाते हैं, सपोज राइट लेग इज गोइंग लेफ्ट साइड, देन उसका अपोजिट जो शोल्डर है उस पे ज्यादा फोर्स आता है, तो ये करेक्ट है या?
वो आएगा, आपका थोड़ा पोस्चर भी गलत होगा, थोड़ा इधर उधर हो भी जाएगा, वो थोड़ा सा हम कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करेंगे, लेकिन इट इज नेचुरल, क्योंकि आप एक पैर इधर लगाएंगे तो इसमें ज्यादा वजन जाएगा. So I'll just explain in little more detail. It looks like this. See, from here, I need to keep it in such a way that it is stretching, and then straight push up and up. Here, this is my relaxed position. I can breathe in, and when I push up, I breathe out. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out. Here, breathe in, breathe out. Whenever I push up, breathe out. Okay, why I am not giving a lot of importance to breathe in, inhalation, is because when you do this in speed, you don't have time to think. जब आप इसको स्पीड में करेंगे, आपके पास सोचने के लिए टाइम नहीं होगा कब इनहेल करना, कब एक्सेल करना. This is not exactly yoga, right? You're doing kind of a workout, so it will be fast. So just keep in your mind, whenever push up, breathe out. Okay, so because when it is done fast, it looks like this. Right? So we don't have time to think. Just keep in your mind, whenever push up, breathe out. And whatever you are doing in between, breathe in. So if I am resetting, I breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Okay, there is inhalation, but exhalation is more important, because when we are exhaling, we are working the muscle. Okay. Any doubt?
Sensei, what is the name of this push-up?
This is Parshvadanda.
Parshvadanda.
पार्श्व और पार्श्व भी बोलते हैं. Yes. Okay, just try. We can reset and try. First left leg, then one push-up, then put it back. Relax, then do right leg, then do a push-up. You can relax and do. Okay. If you understood this, just show like a thumbs up like this. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Try कीजिए. 3-4 times, not too much. Just 3-4 times. Try for yourself and come up. After trying 2-3 times, come back to camera. Come back closer to camera. Okay. Now see, this is like beginner level Parshvadanda. If we go a little bit advanced, it becomes a little difficult, because here we don't have time to reset. See, actually, if you don't have, if you're not feeling comfortable, you can do like this. Okay, you can do like this. Now, right now you're doing this, push up, relax, then next leg. But actually, that is also correct. But actually, when I kick like this, I have to pull this back and throw the next kick at the same time. So it looks like this, right? So actually, from here to here to here. Okay. So maybe we can try this only. Just try for yourself. Just come to push-up position, and from here, just kicking. Left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left. Try like that. 1, very good, like jumping and twisting. 2, 3, very good, very good, very good. 1, yes. Just add push-up also. Just add push-up also. When you do, do a push-up and then change.
Please, Pranam. Please text it. Okay, I'm a bit busy. Okay, text. लिख लो. ठीक है, text कर दीजिए.
करके देखिए. ठीक है. With push-up.
क्लास में हो.
अच्छा ठीक है, बाद में कॉल करो.
ठीक है, ठीक.
Okay, very good. I'll just explain one more time. When we are doing in speed, come relax. Come close to camera. I'll just explain one more time. When we are doing in speed, it looks like this. Push up, and with this push up, I jump, change, and then push up. Right? Any doubt with this one? Any doubt with Parshad and anything? Just unmute and you can ask. 1 second. Yes? Somebody wants?
While doing that push-up, our thigh is touching the floor.
Yes, it is touching.
So we don't have to keep it parallel. We have to like let it touch it. So
It will touch. Actually, try to maintain touch only with your foot. But when you go down, it will touch. Touch का मतलब उसको उधर छोड़ना नहीं है ऐसे. Stretching, push up, and then change. Okay. Yes. And anything else about this one?
Sir,
Hanji.
we need to start with the normal stance push-up. पर्वतासन के जैसा स्टार्ट करना है, नहीं तो नॉर्मल पुशअप स्टैंस के जैसा रखना है.
Thing is, if you are doing one by one leg, then reset, then one by one, you can go to Parvatasana, you can breathe in and all that you can do. But when we do fast, we don't have time for that. We need from one side to other side. उसके बीच में Parvatasana आ नहीं रहा. Actually, there is no Parvatasana in between when you do it fast, right? From one side, you need to jump to the next side, right?
Okay.
If you are doing one by one slowly, then you can add Parvatasana. Otherwise, it is not needed.
Okay.
Right. बाकी सब okay?
Sir, can you name the first and the second one? What we learned? What was the first push-up name? Name of the first push-up?
First one was Sadharan Dand.
Sadharan.
In Sadharan तरीके से up and then.
Yeah.
And second one is a variation of Ram Murti Dand. Some people call it Hindu push-up also. Actually, Ram Murti thing is like a little bit complicated. There are many things, many variations in that. But you can call it a variation of Ram Murti Dand. In second one, we are going up and again coming back. Okay. Or second push-up, right? Ram Murti push-up, second one. You can also try it by holding your breath. Breathe in, then you can and then breathe out. Okay, this is also done. You can do it like that also. Just keep it in your mind, not too much. Just breathe in. See, I breathe in here. Then breathe out. Okay, like this also you can do, but don't give too much strain because you are doing first time. Okay. Now third one we did Parshad Dand. You can call this Adala Badali. Right. So third one, no problem, right? No problem with third. Okay. Next one, we can go for Mishra Dand. Mishra. Mishra होता है ना Mishra. Name is like that, but actually it is Mishra. हिंदी में मिश्र होता है ना. So this one we are using our legs and push up at the same time. In English, this position is called as a loaded beast. Like if you watch videos of Michael Vasquez or something like that, his name on YouTube, you'll find him very good workouts he will share. In English, the same exercise is called as a loaded beast to push up. Position is from push up. When I pull back, I will fold my legs like this and my body will go back. So after push up, here I am trying to stretch also. I am trying to stretch like this So 1 here, 2. So it is when I go back, I can stretch and then jump to next push-up. It looks like this. After push-up, when I pull back here, and from here I need to jump back to push-up. So my legs are coming close and going out. If you look at only the legs, it will look like I am folding and kicking, right? पैर को अगर आप देखें तो पैर आप फोल्ड करके सिर्फ किक कर रहा है. ये फोल्ड किया तो ये किक किया, फोल्ड किक, right? Just try for yourself. Yes. ट्राई कीजिए, एक दो बार ट्राई कीजिए. राइट. बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे ऊपर नीचे उछल के नहीं करना है. ट्राई टू कीप इट एज क्लोज एज पॉसिबल टू द फ्लोर, क्लोज टू द फ्लोर, एंड देन पुश अप. The combination of sadharan dand and this jumping back in a squatting position. Okay, up. See, come close to camera. Come close to camera. See this? Here, after push-up, I am not jumping up and then this, then jumping up and then push-up. I am going as close as possible to the floor. So it is actually this much only. See? Going back and then push-up. Going back and then push-up. Try to do it like this. And one more thing. Before doing, whenever you push up, you breathe out. Breathe in can be anywhere in between this. Inhale can be anywhere in between. Breathe out while pushing up. Okay, try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. Very good. Okay, that's enough. थक जाएंगे. Now, आप सबको समझ आ गया है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हो नहीं रहा. समझ तो आ गया है ना? Understood, right? So when I push up, I breathe out. Okay, that's all. Any doubt on this one? If you, whenever you are practicing and when you get better at it, it will look somewhat closer to the floor. It will look better. That's all. Because we are not bending our hands very much. Because that is difficult, right? Bending when push up, that is difficult. वो practice के साथ जब आसान होगा, आप अच्छे दिखेंगे ये करते हुए. Right. Any doubt on this? Any breathing, any position? No doubt. छोड़ दो हमें. Okay. Right. Okay, just try first one. Sadharan dand. Just try 2 push-ups. Just show me 2 push-ups. Sadharan dand. Show. Yes. Parvatasana. Down, up, reset. Down, up, and breathe out. And reset. Very good. That's enough. Now second push-up. Ramurti dand. Down, up, and from there reverse. Go. Whenever you push up, breathe out. Very good. It is tough, I know. Okay, 2 times only. That's all. Now try third one. Parshva dand. Try third one. Legs like crisscross. Left to right. Push up. Reset. Right to left. Push up. Reset. Left to right. Push up. Very good. Now try this latest one. Mishra dand. Try this one. Latest. Mishra dand. Go. Push up to back. स्ट्रेचिंग. जब आप पीछे जाए ना, इसमें पुश करके जब आप पीछे जाते हैं तो मैक्सिमम इधर से स्ट्रेच करने का देखना है. हाथ और कमर ऐसा, सर वगैरह एकदम पीछे से. Whenever after push up I go here, I need to stretch maximum. ये part maximum. Okay, करके देखिए एक दो बार. 1 2 1 2 Okay. Right. Up. Relax. Relax. Stretch like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here backwards. ऐसे पीछे की तरफ. Stretching this. Do something for the neck. Relax. Okay, you can take rest. Don't drink too much water. If you want to drink water, you can drink water. Any doubt you can ask. Right? अगर आपके हाथों में यहाँ पे रात को दर्द हो इस एरिया में और शोल्डर में तो नो प्रॉब्लम, इट इज नेचुरल. मैक्सिमम 1 हफ्ते तक रहेगा, उसके बाद नेचुरल हो जाएगा. राइट? पहली बार हम लाइफ में इतने सारे पुशअप एक साथ कर रहे हैं. राइट? अदरवाइज अगर आप प्रैक्टिस में है तो ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर डूइंग, इट कैन बी डिफिकल्ट. शुड वी गो ऑन? और भी करना है? ओके, और भी करेंगे. तो टेक 2 minutes रेस्ट. यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. एनीथिंग एल्स? एनी कराटे डाउट?
Sir, small question.
हाँ जी.
Sir, I have seen a lot of martial artists. They are tying tape on their fingers.
Yes.
If they tie tape on their knuckles, I can understand they are doing a lot of like knuckle push-ups and all. Why would they tie tape on their fingers?
Which
what is the
fingers?
Fingers.
Oh,
they tie tape on the fingers.
That is not usually karate or boxing kind of thing. That will usually be jiu-jitsu or wrestling or grappling, right? Brazilian jiu-jitsu or gi jiu-jitsu or judo, because their dress is very strong. Judo dress is very strong. Most of the techniques is you catch the collar and full time what they're doing, they're wrestling. एक दूसरे का कपड़ा पकड़ के they're trying to throw each other down. They need a lot of grip strength. Okay, तो ऐसा प्रैक्टिस कर करके हाथ का ऐसा चटे फट जाती हैं. You can see little bit over here. This is because of pull up. You can see, understand somebody's hand. If he has knuckles over here, first and two, you should understand they are doing some kind of boxing, karate, kung fu, some kind of striking. You see this 1, 2, 3 over here. They're doing some kind of lifting, pull up or weightlifting or gym. If you see all those skin problems in fingers, you should understand like they are doing wrestling or grappling. किसी को पकड़ के ऐसा उनका ड्रेस वगैरह जब आप ऐसा 1000 बार करते हो 1 घंटे में, आपका यहाँ से पूरा फट जाएगा. Right? So with those injuries, if you keep on practicing, it will only get worse. तो उसको क्या करते हैं, वो टेप लगा के प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं अपने हाथ. Karate, if you go to Japan side, you will see they are tying tape on their foot over. यहाँ पे ऐसा टेप लगाएंगे, same doctor tape. Why? Because karate is not a natural exercise. Very punch and things are there. बट जब आप किसी भी तरीके के फर्श पे नंगे पैर ऐसे ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं बार बार, आपके पैर के नीचे वाली चीजें फट जाएंगी. ओके, इवन people practicing in AC wooden floor gym also face this problem. So there is no solution. They will just tie a tape to protect.
Sensei,
knuckles
we right enough if we do knuckles. If we straight enough, will this get straight enough?
You don't need to straight it. मेरा भी सीधा नहीं है. कुछ ऊपर है कुछ नीचे है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सीधा नहीं करना होता है. वो तो भगवान ने हड्डी ऐसे बनाई ना, ये लंबा है ये छोटा है, वो तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. राइट? इन मार्शल आर्ट वी आर ट्राइंग टू हिट विद फर्स्ट two and the finger. So that's all. Right? Anything else? Oh, सबका रेस्ट हो गया. We will try what we did. We did Sadharan Dand, Ramurthy Dand, Mishra Dand, Parsha Dand. Okay. Right. Let's see. There is one more. There is Vrishak Dand also. There are 2 variations of Vrishak Dand. Okay, Vrishak Dand. VRICH something IK. Vrishak Dant. There are two variations of this. First one, we are lifting our leg and doing. Second one, we are almost going back and I'll just show. First one, we are doing Vrishak Dant part 1. Okay. It looks like this. You can see. It is just a simple Sadharan Dant, but you are lifting your leg also. Simple Sadharan Dant like this. Sadharan Dant. But before Dant, we will lift our leg like this, go down, relax, and push up. Reset, other leg, down, relax, push up. Reset, right leg, down, relax, push up. Okay. Same thing, shoulder width distance, your feet, hands are at shoulder width distance. You go down like a Sadharan Dant only. But इससे पहले आपने पैर उठाया. इसमें please come close to the camera. Don't try now. I'll just show. See, when we are lifting our leg like this, what happens is body will become like that. Your body should not go sideways. Not like this. Let it be straight only. See, straight only. Then go and push up. Okay. Try कीजिए. एक दो बार try कीजिए. Then we will do breathing also. Try it yourself 1 or 2 times. Try. नेट नहीं होगी. ओके. ट्राई कीजिए. पैर सीधा रखना. पैर सीधा. जब आप पैर उठाएं उसको सीधा. Don't bend your leg. Yes. When you come down to push up position, वो पैर को एकदम नीचे रख दीजिएगा. आप पैर को उठा के ऐसे सिर्फ पुशअप नीचे की तरफ कर रहे हैं. देन रिलैक्स, पुट योर लेग डाउन एंड देन कंटिन्यू विद पुशअप. ओके, करके देखिए. सी. स्टॉप. Look at this. Look at this. From here, 1 down and then put your leg down. Then push up. Okay. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for your back. Okay. कभी-कभी हम जब स्पीड में करेंगे, it will हमारा थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, right? So we need to secure that, avoiding any back injury. Lift up, go down, relax, and complete the push-up. इसमें breathing. Look at breathing. Just like I said, anytime you push up, breathe out. Okay. Now, in this initial position, you can breathe in while lifting your leg. While lifting my leg, I inhale. So it is like breathe in and exhale and go out. So this whole process can be exhalation, or only the push-up can be exhalation. Because inhalation, not too much importance is given because it is done very fast. Actual speed is like this. Right? So when you're doing in speed, all you want to remember is जब भी push-up करें, breathe out. And whatever in between, try to fix your breathing in. Okay. Breathe in is good when you're stretching your muscle. Okay. So here we are stretching this part. So you can breathe in throughout this motion. Breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in and breathe out. Try कीजिए. Try it for yourself. Yes, lift your leg, go slowly down, put your leg down and then push up.
Sensei?
Yes?
Sensei, could you show me this thing, that free exercise? It pained a lot today, but it was very good.
Oh, yesterday's exercise.
No, today's exercise in the morning. Some free exercise you made us do.
Okay.
Something like this. It was paining, but it was good. I felt good today.
Okay.
Right. That's it.
Okay. Right. Everybody tried it? Any problem? Any problem? Breathing problem? Any doubt? Anything? Please ask.
We are
Yes, sir.
getting some impact on here. Is that right? Am I doing right?
What? What, sir?
इधर असर पड़ रहा है like.
उधर जब जिस साइड में आप पैर उठाएंगे उस वाले साइड में असर पड़ रहा है, राइट? हाँ, दैट्स ओके. फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर डूइंग, राइट? We are not used to lifting our leg from that position. First time we are doing, so some problem will be there. But when you twist in one area and then lift, it is not good. I am here. Look here. बाकी सब भी देखिए. हाँ, मैं ऐसे पुशअप को स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. I'm starting. When I lift my leg, body should not go like this. If I lift this leg, body should not go like this. Let your body be straight. I am lifting. It should not go here. ये सीधा रहने दीजिए. Whenever you lift, this should be straight and then come down. As controlled as possible. Okay. Don't go for speed. Don't go for attraction. जितना धीरे, जितना कंट्रोल करके कर सकते हो, उसे वैसे ही करना है. Right. Anything else? Any problem breathing?
So what is the name of this you said?
This is first variation of Vrishak Dand. Vrishak Dand. You can find this on YouTube also. Many people are doing. This is just one variation of it. Right. सब लोग एक बार करके देखिए. 3 times. Everybody will do 3 times with correct breathing and slow. Or actually 2 times. 2 is enough. 2 times. When you lift your leg, lift it straight, go down, put your foot down and then push up. Next foot and place it down, then push up. Yes. Okay. Up. One more thing. When you lift your leg, it should be straight. Not like this. Lift straight. Then put down and go. Right? करके देखिए. 1. Anybody feel any problem with it? Just try it again. Any doubt you can ask.
चलते दोनों हाथ थोड़ा जकड़ गया है, करने में दिक्कत हो रही है, तो थोड़ा सा समझ.
राइट. नो
प्रैक्टिस नहीं है थोड़ा.
किसी को भी नहीं है. आज ज्यादा कर रहे हैं हम. एक्चुअली किसी भी वर्कआउट में पुशअप थोड़ा सा एक छोटा पार्ट ही होता है. आज पूरा ही पुशअप कर रहे हैं हम.
हाँ, नीचे जाने के बाद ऊपर खींच ही नहीं पा रहे.
Okay, no problem. You can just see and understand. Okay. Anybody else feeling any problem like that? You can just stop and just look at the exercise. Keep it in your mind. Understand काफी है. Or we can stretch also. Stretch like this. Everybody stretch like this. Relax. 1, 2. पीछे की तरफ. This one is important. Here stretch. So that you are stretching this. ये part ज्यादा जकड़ जाता है side से. Right? तो ये ऐसे करना है. दूसरे साइड. 1, 2, 3. राइट. रिलैक्स लाइक दिस. शोल्डर को रिलैक्स कीजिए. हाथ को ऐसे रिलैक्स कीजिए. मसल वगैरह लूज रखने के बाद ऐसे 1. ऐसे लाइक यू आर होल्डिंग समथिंग एंड डूइंग लाइक दिस. सो दिस विल बी रिलैक्स्ड. ऑल आर्म मसल्स. राइट. हियर. यस. राइट. ओके. We can stop here if you want, or don't do too much push-ups. Just understand. Okay. Should we do few more?
That's free exercise.
What, sir?
This free exercise, sir.
What exercise, sir? Sorry.
Free exercise you taught us in the morning, right? This free exercise for the knees and all.
For the knee.
Yes.
Knee exercise. Knee exercise is like just relax your knee. If you're feeling any problem, stretch all sides. Stretch like this. Relax.
I felt like very pain in the knees, but it was relaxed a bit.
Ah.
This thing
Just sit down, just sit down like that. Sit down like that. Sit down, sir. हाँ, sit down के बाद थोड़ा सा उधर ही थोड़ा ऐसा स्प्रिंग एक्शन देते रहिए उधर ही बैठे बैठे.
Okay, sir.
That is good for stretch.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Right. Any problem? Should we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will just show, and you can just watch. Okay. अगर आपको करना है आप कर लीजिए, लेकिन हाथ वगैरह जकड़ जाएगा और when we do too much एक हफ्ते तक वो दर्द रहेगा, हाथ पानी पीते हुए हाथ कांपेगा, right? All that problem will be there. Right? So don't do too much, just watch. Next one. Actually, next one are a little advanced. इसके बाद वाले मैं आपको एक बार दिखाता हूँ. Because most of us we are not doing normal push-up also, right? इसमें थोड़ा सा problem होगा. So we can do this next time. I will just show. Next one is like chakra dand. Chakra dand. Here, 1, 2, 3. This is chakra dand, and this is share dand. Sorry, this can be this side. Here, 1, 2, 3. This is share dand, and one more is there. Viscek dand is there. Viscek dand. Second part is there. Here. 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 This is a little bit advanced, right? I think we should practice all this first. जो आज किया उतना करते हैं. इतने किया.
चक्रदंड एक बार दिखाएंगे.
Chakradand is like this. One leg outside, spinning towards in. When you go in, jump from this, land in push-up position, and push up. So should look somewhat like this. Okay. ये सारे थोड़े से एडवांस वाले हैं. I think we should practice the basic ones first. Then we can go to advanced version, right? One more day we can practice.
Yes, sir.
After one
That's
week.
better.
After 1 week, we can keep a class like this. In that class, we will practice same way, but the little advanced versions. Okay?
इसमें हनुमान दंड से कोई था क्या?
Hanuman Dand is actually very simple, nothing. I can show this now. Hanuman Dand is not that advanced. See? From here, push-up position. Bring it close to your hands. Push down, push up. This is actually very easy. 1, 2, 3. Easier than Ram Murthy or even easier than Sadharan Dand. Right? Try it. If you want to try, you can try for yourself. Otherwise, I feel we should practice this for 1 week. Build some stamina, relax, eat properly, relax, rest, drink water. And after 1 week, we can keep one more class like this for Hanuman Dand, Chakra Dand, Share Dand. Right? We can keep it like that. Right? Any problem with that?
Excuse me, Sensei.
Yes?
Sensei, can you tell me how did you learn Share Dand? I mean, you did it over a soft surface or like?
Share Dand, I think you should not try now. Share Dand, that is why I said it is little advanced, right? Share Dand mein kya hai? Almost handstand and you're coming down, right? I practiced first Bakasana. My first balancing was Bakasana. See, that is how I started. Before handstand, we need to build hand power. So here, 1, 2, then Bakasana like this. This is bit more easy. Then like you can do it on one leg. Right? So from there, little bit you will advance like that. Then handstand with wall, दीवार के सहारे, and then ultimately without support, right? So the thing is, this is almost, for me, it was more than 1 year process to get this side. Okay, it can be 3-4 months also if you want, but minimum it will take month. From zero to handstand, it is like advanced step, right? Because we need balance, we need all finger strength and all to keep balance here. So we can start doing that. We can start exercise for that in next week. Right? From basic, we can start. It will be okay. Right. Any doubt on all this? We did Sadharan.
Sensei.
Yes.
Yes. When you are doing chakra danta,
yes.
We have to use both legs.
Yes,
alternatively.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Now don't try. Otherwise, sometimes some injury. We can practice this. Actually, Ramurti Dand. And what all we did today? Vrishik Dand 1. Okay, all that is very.
Sadharan, Ramurti, Pashav, Mishra, Vrishak, Hanuman.
For now, we can practice. Try every day. Reps each. After 1 week, we will revise this and we will advance. Okay. Right. Any doubt, anything you can just ask right now? No. Okay. We will stop after some stretching exercise, वरना आपके हाथ पैर वगैरह जकड़ जाएगा. Anyway, you will feel little like stiff on your arms, triceps, shoulder, chest also. Don't. It is nothing different. होता है. No problem. It will be there. It will go after 3-4 days, right?
Sensei.
Yes.
For beginners, we should start with how many practice of done every day? Like today was my first day, so
yes.
How many done daily I should practice for this 1 week?
Definitely not this much. Like that is what I said. Like many of you are like doing this for first time, and today we did how many? Like 50 push-ups we did, right? So इतना नहीं करना है. Start from 4, 5, then change, then little bit. Keep like every day you can't increase. 1 week practice 5 or 6. Next week 7, 8, work 10, right? आज 10 किए, कल 20 नहीं करना. आज 10 किए, कल 5 करो, and just keep that continuation. For 1 week, continue 5 push-up only. Okay, don't increase like that. Don't give too much strain. When you're ready, you can increase the count. अपने हिसाब से करना. That is very personal. I will tell to do 5 or tell to do 50. But not everybody will be comfortable with that, right? अपने हिसाब से, whenever, however you feel comfortable, you can practice. Right. थोड़ा सा stretching करते हैं, वरना हाथ पैर थोड़ा और खराब हो जाएंगे. Yes. See. Stretch like this and breathe in. And breathe out when you contract. So like this also. 1, 2, and 3. See hand position, both hands facing down. 1, 2, twist up. 3. 1, 2, 3. When you stretch, breathe in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down. Just lift it up, drop down. Lift up, drop down. Relax your shoulders like this. Down. 1, 2. 1, 2. Relax. Like this. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Here. Hit like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Opposite. Right. Relax. Stretch like this. Stretch like this. Stretch like this. Here. Stretch here. 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 Okay. Relax. Relax your neck. Very slowly rotate here. Very slow. Relax. Right. Okay. I think that is enough. Net chala gaya kya? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you hear me?
For a few seconds, we couldn't see your screen or hear. Sensei, your mic is muted.
Sorry. ये सब देखा था आपने, ये सब करते हुए देखा था. This all was done. Can you see? Yes. ये सब.
Yes, Sensei.
Okay. वो थोड़ा स्ट्रेचिंग किया है. अभी थोड़ा रात को पता चलेगा. अगले दिन थोड़ा दर्द होगा. बट जस्ट सोच लीजिएगा आपने अपने आप गलती करी. उसकी सजा है. Okay. So we can stop right now if you don't have any doubt or anything like that, right? Next week we can keep a class like this. We will revise all this and we will try to go a little bit more advanced. Okay. ठीक. Okay. Bye. Enjoy.
Arigato gozaimashita, Sensei.
Arigato gozaimashita. Os. Yes. Os.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.